Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check your system requirements and understand what specs you're working with. You'll want to know your processor, graphics card, and RAM to optimize correctly. Make sure you have at least 100 GB of free storage space since Warzone takes up significant room. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version available for your card. Outdated drivers can cause stuttering and poor performance. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website and download the most current version for your hardware. Step 3. Lower your in-game graphics settings to minimum or low presets. Turn off ray tracing, reduce texture quality, and set resolution to 1080p or lower if needed. Disable motion blur and reduce field of view if performance is still struggling. Step 4. Close background applications and disable unnecessary startup programs. Things like Discord overlays, Chrome, and streaming software drain your resources significantly. Use Task Manager to see what's consuming your CPU and memory. Step 5. Consider using community tweaks and optimization tools designed for low-end systems. Many players share custom configuration files that boost FPS dramatically. Install a driver optimization tool and clear your cache regularly to maintain peak performance throughout your gaming sessions.